chain 2 years. And I yan chain kakran sana Galamsey no. Nana Akufo-Addo by 2017 and some for ye shasiye at the press at one so. Check the date. A timer in St0p for said the pressure too. Nana Akufo-Addo way back 2017. Now we need 6 months in po. And on St0p for nina kabomu say ye person of fixing and okasa or ye prepared to put a job. Ye this our pressure and to her emano.
So we have for me ding no go alters na ha St0p. You best say subscribe to the channel no never want you share bra or comment section na me sure be. We have for Galamsey some way. President John Dramani Mahama has no only any now dream crase or babe fight Galamsey. And prosperity will remember Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Messi, Tana Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, Galamsey, not the NDC were passing by. Say NDC, MPP, Echo Chichin Kofuna, and I say Echo Pabum Kofufi Bushanama. NDC will go behind NPP. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo government to promise the people to go and do the Galamsey. And I said to promise the people, say when they come, they are going to allow them to do this Galamsey. And then I jinx them. And then I jinx them because they say who do every corner of Galamsey, maybe be a year Galamsey. Be a Tokwani, Sabai Sabasaye University. NDC has been there and they promised the people this and this and that. But today they are trying to change from what the promises they have made. For video, NDC for NDC penny for Obu Kobush, no echo promising Kofu no say. Obu twa betia NPP abai. Na NPP abai obu ye wudi for obu jenga na hu. Obu job hu. Eti say obu to abama NDC na obu ba. They are going to allow them to do the Galamsey, and then I just I was for Michael, the go share video, but never able to ask.
And then I no pay and now for Mansodia, I saw the Galamsey, why not to go on with the no say 2 4 years media Jumano, and came to interview. I say because of Yaba Tuaba, and a woman watching the union, he said, yes, we had the Yan Galamsey, Ghana betu Galamsey. And I do one I no to see in another vanguard for another. And the Payasa Kraka said, Yatu Abaria, Mubesa, Vanguard in Mukuna. Yayan Snase, Emma by when the good man. And you know, who yet you want to put with two number time. One for the Mabusia for now, Mumekisha about him like a former John Dramani MAHAMA. Yet woman. And him say, Yamibu Amanda in the Equabano. Yanamo side on a Sobe Kata. And him said, Dumako Slim, and Dumako Ribe, some Kosovo, about here. Until I never say, after by Friday, or Mubretimo. Now, obedience me, and now prepare, known to me, and to me for the Busia for. Now, Monday, you grew up. Then I had there for 12. But you're 2 about the and let's say, for your best now. I'm a Baba Navy, and I had Galamsey for a bit. Abana Yatwama, Mahama, yet me a kind, no Mahama, I did. On the 7th, on the 8th, on the 9th, the Abana Mahama, Mumramba, I don't know. Can I pay for no Etikano? Can I move no Galamsey? And now, Mecano, Yamiadum. This is Yamibuana Mutama John Dramani MAHAMA. Namutama Abubakar Sadika. Namusi said, Your Mama adding to him. I got a credit adding to him. Not to this one, Muyama. Namu for the new Kuha, so Robert Asama. No to be who. Wait, I pay for this. It's a tremor. My answer, never more go by. No, Vanguard no Omunguno. Vanguard no Edaso. About 20 more my day. In my money, I who come on a Vanguard day. Oh, it's a tremor. Your Dutch about on a day. You're Yadamasi. Okay, I want to make a no Mobia. Since you are Mohun Wahano, or who said the land in the city, or Becca, Namebua, after on the 11th, on the 7th, and she say, at the mom because of one of us I was now. Said the bear, you animal blade or my Jumata Cacre. Which would be not a finity. Now, so that's how I was 1 month out of Alcohol. Now, so the Abba Yaguma. Now, so do Chromo call for Friday. Eddie, and 2 Papa Twabana, John Daman Mahama, they 2 died. And I don't demand Mama's man, and that's what I say. We're Ghana for ya. A papa baby of the fast walk. Now, this year, now, and a far coming on a half Friday. My yes, I'm at home. Dear, a woman details here. Papa, a bit rich, and she say, yeah, or my penny John Daman Mahama. As she said, our day back, the month of my day. Now, don't you do my name? I'm also the Says another Galamsey, a cost of pie and this careful. Then the animal mark for a Tony, my thought on the money. Who could do a grown up Yagam to what will be abused talk? I want to be that. No class to send you abused all. And to name over and Padewu and Pennyfo, Yenya kidney problems. Yenya yan chain 2 years. And I yan chain kakran sana Galamsey no. Nana Kufado by 2017 and some shop for your chassis at the press at one so. Check the date. A timer in St0p for said the pressure too. Nanado Danko Kufato. Way back 2017. Now we need 6 months in po. And on St0p for Nina Kabomu say your person of fixing and okasa or you prepared to put a job. Yenny this our pressure and to her emano. Busasanu this 6 months. I am winning history. So when you are speaking, you speak anyhow because you think that it is your party. Me catchers, I don't care about your NDC. Ghana is bigger than NDC. I don't care about who NDC no. So when many NDC, I don't care because in NDC ni chiameka. Nti wadun ye onse me betra hana na anu ye bo MPP achinti ye betra ni ababa ye odiodium ni ye age mahama there be ye nyesa. Ye nyesa. Ni pewu eno ma menchiro insuo bi reba ye nsu. Jeff pe video no na ne twa picture ne hwe de reba ye nsu aye. They say you're shutting it down. Bring when you shut it, but be a man showing you shut it. Some na near bra ye can was no. Now we are NDC Nino, now born in Semaye. Some now we are NDC Nino, Erastos a car, now born in Sem Emma Erastos. Now multimedia car, now the Jemu, Jinahoye de day, I Nanakufado Nyaho, Galamsey Nidia, a existential threat, and it's a Hulusa, now the year campaign at that time. Now we are NDC Nino. No near break because so sorry no panier come near the Tiana na Kufado near MPP near the year campaign Tiana. Now who NDC no near J. So what changed? Then you come and tell me as if say na sabi who crowd who casam no. Do you even understand sustainability? But Facebook never share obi a woko sa nso no. But Facebook be he. O jini nipa ho. Ade na mama ye bresa because we NDC ni Inti Galamsey abayenka because you expect to say yankobo na Akufo-Addo echi na samre na wo ka tro bi so on resign no na wo ka ne sen hwe wo ye nipa be hwe Facebook na be hwe de obi ko se nsu kwahwe thanks to channel 1 TV hwe insu a nipa ko sanom na wo ti wo ka te say yen wo ye wo time according to wo time obi atua wo home o se yen kakra Obi ma wo home o se yen kakra because eye wa ban because eye NDC. Maka kire we dem monka dem meka o say we ye hwan me say no problem. No problem. Na ekoba say ya NDC mpanyifo no me tu mofu soldiers na obia oye voice of conscience o gina mu eka bi sa bre no ga Kumasi a hwan na eka bi Edru baby no na NDC for radio station ben na etimi sorry gina e defend mo na ye Israel FM munti mu NDC for nti MPP for ampema asem ya koye emma said the be ya change beba tabre no now sorry radio station ben and TV station ben na wo Kumasi a na etimi gina mu kan pepepe e kira ban se enye tabre no o yuji mo ya de pa na janto mo kanu krepa enne ade na dane
Yebra John MAHAMA ne woso or the Galamsey campaign. Muko Galamsey site koye campaign. Aye worse. Things are happening. And you pay who Bibian society. Near Kwaka. No man Tim Crawford na me yes did the Tim Kumi and Kaba to me. And this is from who street. You are funny people.
Said it is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining.
Yeah, now you are buying blood. This is blood gold. You are buying organs of innocent people. People are born without part of their organs. How many people should die? Where should we get to before we say that we should trigger the last resort? I'm afraid, I'm disappointed. Mr. President, I believe that you have a good heart. If you want to leave a legacy, your legacy should last in the next 10, 50, 60 years. That is why we still mention Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I didn't live during his days. But when I read the literature and I see the infrastructure he did, I'm not sure some of the decisions he took in those days were popular among his colleagues. But he did so because he had the next generation in mind. This is, Mr. President, you are failing. Mr. President, please sit up. We don't want to lose our respect for you. We were not brought up to be disrespectful to elderly people. Let's not tempt ourselves to the point where we can't hold back or we can't, engage in meaningful conversations devoid of emotions. I don't know how to put this. I'm scared for Ghana. If anything will cause me to leave this country, it will be irresponsible mining.
Galamsey.